In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the super rare token on Coinbase. So for this first step, you will need to go to coinbase.com, and as you can see, you need an account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So after that, you can sign into your account and we are going to the search bar right on top, and there we will type in super rare. And as you can see, the super rare token is over here. We will select it and this will bring you to the token page. Now we have a price chart over here with the current market price, and we also have an option to select different time frames in this price chart. And as you can see, we can see all previous history about this coin and the price actions. So the next step is to read into this insight about this information about the project, things like that. You can check it, and also some stats about the market cap, volume, circulating supply, and all kinds of things you can check out over here. So now the next step is to buy this coin because there you guys came for. And what we want to do, we want to select the buy option. After that, we will select the amount of euros we would like to spend. And after that, you can select the one-time order or the recurring buy order. So basically a one-time order is a single order which buys you a certain amount of crypto for a certain price, so the current market price. And the recurring buy is basically an automatic purchase on a daily, weekly or monthly base. But for now we will leave it on a one-time order, and after that you can see the amount of tokens we will receive in return. So the next step is to select our payment method. Very simple, select it in the list. Is it not here your preferred payment method? You can add a new one by clicking on this button. And once we go back, then you can see the token we have selected. So this is the right token, no need to change. If it's the wrong one, just click on it and select the new one. For now, I will leave it on this token and then review our order. Now I will give you guys a very useful tip. If you trade on a weekly or monthly base on Coinbase, or maybe a daily base, then you can save yourself a lot of money. So as you can see on this order already, I'm paying 38 euros of transaction fees. That is a lot. And a fee is basically a transaction fee is a certain amount of money which you are paying to Coinbase for using their platform. And yeah, it's very useful to use this Coinbase One subscription because you can save yourself a lot of money. Only on this order we can save 38 euros. But imagine if you do this on a daily base or a weekly base or monthly, yeah, then you can save yourself up to hundreds of euros. So very useful. And beside of that, you can now try it out for free for 7 days. So definitely try it out. After those 7 days, it will be around 25 euros. So try it out and save yourself some money. Once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which coin you want to see in next tutorial. Cheers guys!